In this video, I will show you how to connect your desktop to your router. It is extremely easy to connect. This is my Wi-Fi router. I will only connect to the PC via Internet cable with my Wi-Fi router. Connect the Internet cable to the LAN port of the router. Then connect another part of the Internet cable to your computer's LAN port. Then look at the computer screen. Now go to the control panel. Now click on Network and Internet. Then click on Network and Sharing Center. Then click on Change Adapter Settings on the left side. Then right-click on the Internet and click on Enable. If your Internet connection is not turned on, right-click and go to Properties. Check the Internet Protocol versions for box. Then click OK. I think your Internet connection is OK. Now go to any browser and check your Internet. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed watching my video, please subscribe and share it with everyone.